welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we are going to be doing our Lamborghini Miura build. So we're going to do stage 65 of Build the Lamborghini Miura, and guess what? We actually used the parts that we've received in the issue today. Not a lot to do, I've got to admit, but at least we're now finally caught up on the parts that we've been supplied. And we can continue with that, which is great. Now, I have only got one more stage left after today. So I've got stage 66. And then I will be awaiting my next pack from Agora. So I'm hoping that won't be too long. Like I said, unfortunately, not much to do in today's pack. In today's build, sorry. But yeah, it should be okay. Touch wood anyway. So, let's get over to the build deck. So, with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay guys, so yes, we get to use the parts that we've received today, which is great. But we're going to be starting with the parts that we received in the last stage. But in this stage, which is 65, we are going to be assembling the wheel hubs and the front and left brake discs. So what he wants us to do first of all is retrieve these parts that we got in issue 64 or stage 64, and he just wants us to sort of notice that we've got three sort of nubs there and we've got three hubs there, and what we're going to do is simply combine the parts. So hopefully I've got this lined up okay, and it's just going to do that. Now yeah, it does move around a bit. They're definitely, oh that's better, there we go, that's a better fit. So that's now like that. Now we did get some calipers in the previous issue, but what they're recommending is we don't use them in this stage. So put them in the bag, that we received in today's stage, which has an L on it, so we know that they are for the left, and what we'll do is we'll bob that in there as well to know again that is the left. So there we go. Right, so using the parts in today's issue, we need to bring these two parts across. These are the wheel hub components, and it basically wants us to note the sort of orientation of these. So that's going to be the right one, that's going to be the left one. So if you sort of look like that, that's what we're looking for. Now we're going to use the left one first of all. So if I just sort of turn it round, it wants us to position it more or less like that. Then it wants us to get this, which is the left angle drive. Now this one's putting it in the centre. It's got like a little bit of a hexagonal shape in here. It just wants us to push that down into place, just like so. Okay, so that's the left one done. Now it wants us to do the same on the right one. So again, I'm just making sure that I get this orientated correctly to what it says in the magazine, which that is. That's pushed in nice and snugly. And then that's it. That's all there is to do in this issue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this right one back in the bag, which has an R on it. And I'm hoping I can fit the left one in this bag that's got the L on it. Therefore, I know which is the left and I know which is the right. At least we're now caught up on what parts we're using. Okay, now coming in the next issue, we will be working on fitting the front wheel hubs. We are basically going to be fitting them to the vehicle itself. And then that's really it for that pack. Really not a pack with a lot of things to do, I've got to admit, really, so far. But yeah, that will be another pack complete. So that is stage 65 done. Well guys, that's it for the Lamborghini Miura for this week. Thank you for tuning in. Not a lot to do, and like I said, the pack hasn't been the most exciting pack that we've got. It was very, very small little parts. I mean, the box it came in was absolutely tiny compared to some of the boxes you get for the models. And yeah, it's just been very little parts, not doing much in this pack. So yeah, it's a bit of a shame, but we are getting closer to the end, which I'm looking forward to, because it'd be nice to have another model complete. Anyway, if you like this video, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. It really helps the channel. It really helps the algorithm if you could do so. And if you haven't already subscribed, please remember, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, guys, stay safe and bye for now.